Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs. Don Quijote, often called just Donkey, is a major discount chain store in Japan, which is famous for crowding its stores floor to ceiling with an incredible variety of merchandise. The goods stocked at Don Quijote commonly include daily groceries, snacks and sweets, alcohol and soft drinks, beauty and health products, watches and accessories, electrical goods, DIY products, toys, cosplay costumes, sports gear, and clothing. The colorful Asakusa branch has all this, plus restaurants, karaoke facilities, and a live music theater too, all spread out across 7 floors. Don Quijote Asakusa is very popular with tourists because they can bulk buy on cheap goods and souvenirs and then have their purchases sent directly to the airport. On top of these, overseas visitors are entitled to a tax refund on their purchases, and some foreign currencies are also accepted in the store. For added convenience, free Wi-Fi internet access is available throughout the store too. Don Quijote is unusual because you don't need to change your money to Japanese yen if you want to shop there. 7 currencies are covered by this service: the euro, the US dollar, the Chinese yuan, the Hong Kong dollar, the Taiwan dollar, the Korean won, and the Thai baht. Please like, share, and subscribe. To use the service, look for the special foreign currency registers. Your change will be given in Japanese yen. The exchange rate at Don Quijote will change daily, so you should check that the rate is acceptable before you make your purchase. Overseas visitors who are carrying their passports can get a tax refund on the goods they buy at Don Quijote. This refund on the 8% consumption tax is available if you spend over 5,000 yen. However, if the products you buy are consumable goods, such as food, drink, medicine, and cosmetics, then these goods will be packed up in a special bag that you must not open before leaving Japan. If you do open this bag before you leave Japan, then you could be charged the 8% tax at the airport. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Don Quijote Asakusa restaurants. The restaurants at Don Quijote serve simple dishes at low prices. On the first floor, there is a cheap curry shop called Kare Hanomimono, literally curry is a drink, and another shop called Maruju where you can get barbecued skewers of Kobe beef. There are 2 restaurants on the 5th floor. Stamina Taro next is an all-you-can-eat buffet restaurant which includes sushi, grilled beef, salads, noodles, rice, desserts, and soft drinks. Caesarea is a famously cheap Italian restaurant with a variety of pasta and pizza dishes, super cheap alcoholic beverages, and refillable soft drinks. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. If you would like to sing while you eat, then Karaoke Rainbow on the 6th floor also has a food menu which includes pizza, fried chicken, noodle and rice dishes, and a variety of snacks and drinks. Amuse Cafe and Theater. On the 7th floor is a cafe and theater where you can watch a song and dance review of classic pop hits. Shows typically cost 5,400 yen for adults and last around 90 minutes, including the intermission. The performers will serve food and drink before and after the show. You can check the show schedule on the official website. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Asakusa Don Quijote is a minute walk from TX Asakusa Station on the Tsukuba Express line. From the Tobu, Toei, or Tokyo Metro Asakusa stations, it should take 10 minutes. Opening hours. The Asakusa store is open 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, so you can shop for a bargain anytime you please. Thank you for watching.